This is going to be the easiest method to generate the high quality AI UGC product videos. You can generate the reaction videos, you can generate the in-hand product videos. So this is going to be a fun. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. And the platform that we're going to use today is going to be CreateUGC. And these are some of the product videos that I have been testing from last few days. You can see these are all in-hand product videos. We have some reaction videos and different kind of avatars. And to begin with, we're going to click on the new video, and from here you can simply add your product link. Well, you can also add the products manually if you want to. You can just give it a name and you can type the description from here, and you can also upload the product images. But to make it easy, we're going to go with product link. For example, I'm using this product link, so simply copy the link of your product and paste it inside of this link bar. And if you just scroll down, you can see we have multiple type of videos. We have the reaction videos, we have product in hand, and we have the product in hand with the View 3 and Clink 3.0. So my favorite model is Clink 3.0, so we're going to continue with the Clink and hit continue. Now this will analyze the product and will fetch all of the data about the product, including the images, description, everything. Now next step is to choose between the images that you want to continue with. So we have the product name, we have the product description. If you want to change the product, that's up to you, but we're going to continue with that one. I'm selecting this image and hit next button. Now simply select your aspect ratio 9:16, which is for the social media, and you can also choose between the languages. Let's go with English and hit continue. Now this is an interesting part because here we have some pre-trained models. You can switch between the models. We have a ton of different avatars that you can choose from, and you can also classify these avatars based on their gender. Let's go with the female, and you can also select their ethnicity. So let's continue with the white Western European, and here we have list of avatars that are available, and these are super realistic. But if you want to continue with your own model, you have the option. For example, you want to upload the image of your AI influencer or maybe your own model. For example, I'm selecting this one and hit continue. Now it's time to select the voice for our character, where you can also upload the voice from your gallery, but here we have some pre-trained voices. Let's play any one of them.
Place for creation of UGC content.
And here we have the script for our video. Well, you can also add your own script. We have different kind of formats of the script: funny, selling, professional. You can add the pauses in this one, but if you want to add your own script, you can simply remove it and paste in your own script. And you can also add the pauses to make it sound natural. That's up to you. And once we have our script over here, simply hit continue. One last confirmation and hit generate. Okay, so this is the output. Let's watch this.
Okay, wait, why is the Marie talking about this sunblock? It's super lightweight, doesn't leave that weird light cast, and my skin actually feels fresh after wearing it. I've been using it every day before going out. Makeup sits better and my skin stays protected in this heat. Honestly,
Okay, so she's looking way too excited. And this is because only we have pasted our long script. The video length is only 10 seconds long, and to cover that much of length in just 10 seconds, I think this is our fault. But overall, the video quality, expressions, everything is on point. And let me show you a few more examples.
I'm obsessed. This cream smoothed my fine lines and gave me a real glow. You need to grab yours before it sells out. Trust me.
And again, this one was also very realistic. Now let's switch to another format, that are reaction videos. If you click on the new video, again, we're going to paste in the link, or you can simply select the products from here. So we're going to select this product from here, and let's just use the reaction video tab. And again, we're going to continue with the product images, and here we have the length of almost 60 seconds. We can only stay with 15 seconds. Hit next. Again, this is the exact same process of selecting the script, character voice, and all that. So somehow that video didn't work, but I have generated another video. Let's have a look.
Ever tried stuffing your life into a tiny bag? Say goodbye to suitcase wrestling matches. Our 2-piece travel bag set holds it all, even your wildest shoe collection. Pack smarter, travel happier. Grab yours now.
Now you can also notice we have some kind of subtitles on this one, and to do that we have the option to edit our videos. If I click on the edit section, you can see we have the option to add the subtitles in this, and to be honest, the fonts are really good, so you can easily make changes to the timeline, and once it's done, simply hit confirm. So that's how you can create the high quality UGC ad videos by just pasting your product link. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out, and that's it from today. See you in the next one.